Everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. What we're going to discuss today is Power Lead System, and this is going to be a quick overview for those who are looking to come into the Power Lead System for 2022 going into 2023. This is some brand new information that I want to give you, and then also talk about the trainings that they're providing live for those who are looking to join the Power Lead System and use this as a full-time business, or even use the Power Lead System for opportunities that you may currently be promoting. So for those who are not familiar with the Power Lead System, what it is a funnel builder. And within the Power Lead System, they give you some educational trainings that will teach you how to generate traffic using free and paid traffic strategies. Now, what I love about the Power Lead System is that the people who are teaching you these strategies are 6- and 7-figure earners in the industry who's giving you step-by-step the information that you need in order to be successful. On top of that, the trainings that they provide, which is normally once to twice per week, they have some top earners that are showing you how to set up the system with the new funnels that they have created for you that are high converting to get you the best bang for your buck. So when you come into the Power Lead System, you're going to have a few options that you want to decide depending on how serious you are with taking this business to the next level. And not only that, how much training you would like to open up in order to have more training traffic generation strategies at your fingertips. So with that said, the Power Lead System gives you trainings based off of the level that you're at. You're going to learn more. And not only that, you're going to be able to execute faster because they do give you the knowledge of where to go to get traffic if you want to use paid traffic. And not only that, if you want to use free traffic, how to start executing that on a daily basis. Okay. Also with the live trainings, they go over that as well. And I jotted down some information of the things that they had covered in the training that I was on part of last week. So with the Power Lead System, there are levels where you can get paid a residual income, which means you do the work once and you get paid month after month. And then they also have levels where you come in and you get paid one time for the person that joins the opportunity underneath you. Okay. So we're going to go over those first, and then I'm going to go over the trainings. We have the gold level, which is $30. You pay this per month. This is going to allow you to collect unlimited $20 payouts for every single month that your direct downline is a part of the system. So you refer a person, they come in at the gold level, they pay 30, you're going to automatically pay 20, get paid 20 every single month. At the emerald level, this is $105 which is a monthly membership, allowing you to get $90 for each person that joins you directly. This is where they have live trainings on different lead generation strategies, and you can be a part of that by paying the $105 per month. I, as you can see, do not have this currently. That's why it's red. Once I am a member, this will turn green, and that will give me access to the ongoing trainings that they have for all of their Power Lead System members who are a part of the Lead Generation Academy. This is going to be inside of a Facebook group, and people who are members are the only ones that's involved in this actual group. Okay. For the diamond level, it's a $147 one-time payment. These are going to allow you to get unlimited $100 payments for each person that joins you at this level. This is like the sweet spot between the diamond and the platinum, is where most people come in and what they can afford. But not only that, this sets them up to make more money, because every time someone comes in and pays the $147, you're going to automatically get the $100, and that can add up quickly when you have 5 or 10 or 15 people coming in per month. The platinum level is a one-time payment of $497. That's going to get you unlimited $400 commissions. And then the elite level, which is a $1497, that's going to allow you to get unlimited $1,000 commissions. Now, the diamond level, the platinum level, and the elite level are all one-time payments. The gold level and the emerald level, these are monthly payments that you have to be a part of in order to get paid monthly at that particular level. Now here, when you click on these white arrows here, it's going to give you a video of what's included with that particular level, and it allows you to understand how the compensation plan works. And not only that, the trainings that are going to open up when you decide to join that particular level. Okay, you'll always see your sponsor down here at the bottom. It'll have your sponsor's information, also the recommended income streams that your sponsor is probably a part of that they would like for you to take a look at. Now, this is going to come up every single time you open up your membership area. And at any given time, you can go in and actually upgrade when you have the funds or when you're ready to open up other trainings that are a part of the Powered Lead system. So with the training that I was on last week, what they went over is the 3 steps of how to get started. And there are 3 simple steps in order for you to start getting paid and start generating traffic with the Powered Lead system. So you're going to set up your domain, which is right here. The second step is you click on the easy button, which is right here, and they show you exactly how to set this up step by step. And then your third step is going to the trainings and start utilizing the trainings in order for you to get paid, to start getting traffic to your site and generating leads that ultimately turn into sales. So the last training that I was on, they showed you how to use paid traffic so you can start getting in some of those gold level memberships and ultimately having those people upgrade. So they do show you how to go about using paid traffic, which is the fastest way that you're going to start bringing in sales and commissions with the Powered Lead system. Now, one of the things that I like that they talked about is after they got done with the traffic and they showed you exactly how to buy your clicks for your Powered Lead system, they went into mindset. And the reason why I think that this is important, and I'm not going to touch a lot on it, you could actually get this information from the trainings, is that they talk about not selling, but building relationships. Because with a lot of affiliate marketing opportunities, it's about building those relationships with people and letting them to get a little glimpse of your life and what it is that you do, and having them become interested in what you do by not only sharing your story, but also your results and teaching people how to utilize the systems the right way. Okay, because nobody wants to buy something that they don't know how to use, or they don't know where to go in order to start using a system. So building relationships is important, making people feel comfortable enough in a part of a community where they can get their questions answered. But not only that, know that they have something that is long-term and has the support that they need so that they can start producing an income. They also talk about focusing on learning and improving. So a lot of times people buy these programs or these systems and they don't focus on the trainings. They don't focus on improving their results. They don't really focus on the growth of executing the things that they learn. And this is very important because, of course, we all want to make the money. We want to make as much as we can, but it starts off with knowing how to work the system, knowing how to generate the traffic, and knowing exactly how to get the results. And you're going to learn all of that through the training modules. You're not going to learn that by just coming in here and then taking your link and posting it any and everywhere. You have to have a specific strategy in place, and they go over this in the trainings that we have. Don't be afraid to take risk. So a lot of times, and this was me, and one of the things that I did that I shouldn't have done when I first started is coming in at just the gold level, not upgrading to the other levels to get the trainings and the education that you need to take you further within your business. Some people don't want to take risks. They're afraid because maybe they've been in other opportunities before that didn't work so well. Each and every opportunity is not going to perform the same. You're not going to get the same results. There's going to be other opportunities where you're going to learn more or learn less, but you have to be willing to take risks sometimes in order to figure out what it is that you are really good at And not only that, get the proper training and education that you need so that you can make the most. Taking action and giving it time. A lot of people, they lack patience. They are the type that they will buy a program or a system and want to just be a part of the community, but take way too long to start to execute. Procrastination is the biggest downfall for most people. They take too long to actually start executing the things that they learn. And because of that, you get bored with the system or you give up easily. So it's important that you execute, but then also get things time to marinate. And the reason why I call it the marination process and letting it marinate is because with affiliate marketing, everything works in threes. So you have your first, second, third, and your fourth quarter. You will start to see things pick up for your business within your second and third quarter. The first 90 days is just of the building process, understanding what you're doing and executing so that you can build up that momentum. And that's how I started generating six figures within a year, is by understanding that within your first 90 days, you're building up that momentum so that the second, third, and fourth quarter is a piece of cake, and that you have more than enough traffic so that you can consistently start to generate sales. So it is about being patient and knowing that this is not a get rich quick overnight, but it's going to take time and dedication in order for you to see the results that you're looking for. And then they talk about you're just one funnel away. And that's so true. The funnels that they put together are high converting funnels. If you set up your funnel correctly and you start to promote your funnel, your website, and allow people to go through the funnel, you will start to generate results. Funnels are the key to this business. And that's why the Power Lead system, everything is generated around the funnel, because that's how you actually make money. But not only that, you start to make money in your sleep because your funnel is working for you 24 hours, 7 days a week. So it's really important that you understand what a funnel is all about, but not only that, how to set it up, which is a part of the trainings that they have, and knowing how to execute properly to have people looking at your funnel on a consistent basis. And then elevating your why. And that's really important as well, because some people, they talk about just the surface of why they want to have a home-based business. They want to have an online business. Yeah, you want to leave your job, but let's take it to the next level and think about all of the things that we can do once we leave our job, which is elevating your why and knowing exactly what you need to do and why you need to do it. It's not just about leaving your job. It's about the time freedom. It's about making more money. It's about traveling. It may be about taking your kids to Disney World, or being able to pay for their college tuition. We need to elevate that why, because when you're stuck at the ground level of why you want to leave, why you want to have a home-based business, which is mainly to leave your job, it doesn't allow you to really think about long-term goals that you want to accomplish within life by having an online business. So these are some of the things that they talked about in the training, on top of how to use the system that I found extremely, I was grateful for, and I'm happy that they touched on these things, because it gives people some time to really marinate on what they need to do and what they need to know in order to be successful with business. But not only that, how to start executing so that you're getting results, you're building momentum, and then you can start really tapping into what it is that you love about online and how to become wealthy, or bring in an additional income, or leaving your job by utilizing the Power Lead system. So I really hope people get on the next training that they have in a link when you sign up for an account. When you go into your membership site, it's the first thing that you see. So if I log out here and then I go back in and I log in here, which is this is the website administration area, I'm going to just hit the login button. This is going to bring me right here to register for your Fast Start training. So here they have trainings coming up, one on Monday, the 28th. I can click here to register. And then they have another one on December 1st, and I can click here to register. And this is basically the things that they're going over. Okay. And it's really highly recommended that you attend the live training. So you have your orientation about the Power Lead system. where to get your links to promote the Power Lead system, which pages and funnels to choose, marketing 101, the do's and don'ts, the marketing curriculum, staying compliant, how to make your first $1,000, and how to maximize your profits. These are all of the things that they're going to discuss. So if you can't get to the one during the day, you can actually get on the one in the evening. And as you can see, this is within 1 week. So we have 2 trainings coming up, and we would love for you to be a part of that training and get the knowledge that you need and information that you need in order to really learn the system and learn how to take your business to the next level. So I want to say thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more information, right in the description below is going to be the link to get started, and then just take a look around. And not only that, register for the trainings. If you need to reach out to me, that information also is in the description below this video. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day.